Arjun and Vikram grew up in the same street, same small houses, same government school, same afternoon cricket games. They both used to sit on the terrace at night and talk about the future. One day, we'll be successful. They meant it, but they never defined what successful meant. Years later, both got their first job. First salary day. Arjun smiled at his phone screen. Salary credited. He ordered food, bought new clothes, posted a picture online. I made it, he thought. Vikram also saw the salary message. He smiled too. But instead of celebrating loudly, he opened a notebook and wrote one question. How can this money grow? That night, their thinking quietly separated. As months passed, Arjun upgraded his lifestyle. Better phone, bike loan, weekend trips. He felt progress. Vikram upgraded something else. He bought books, took online courses, started a small side project. No one noticed, but seeds grow underground first. Then the company downsized. Both were scared. Arjun panicked. What if I lose everything? He waited. He hoped. Vikram felt fear too, but he asked, what skills do I have? What problem can I solve? While Arjun feared losing his salary, Vikram focused on increasing his value. One depended on a company, the other depended on himself. After work, Arjun was exhausted. He scrolled. He deserved rest. Hours passed quietly. Vikram was tired too, but he worked on his side project for 1 hour, just 1 hour. Small effort, every day. Consistency doesn't shout, it compounds. 5 years passed. Arjun still waited for promotions, still worried about expenses, still thinking, if only my salary increased. Vikram now had multiple income streams, freedom to choose projects, control over his time. Not because he was smarter, not because he was lucky, because he thought differently. Arjun thought money creates freedom. Vikram thought value creates money. Arjun asked, what can I afford? Vikram asked, what can I build? Arjun worked for income. Vikram built systems. And slowly, their lives became reflections of their thinking. Because wealth is not built in bank accounts first. It is built in decisions. Change how you think about time, learning, risk, comfort, and your future will begin to change quietly. This is Life Upscale. 2 boys, same beginning, different thinking, different ending.